Hi guys, Julianne here with a video about another gear that I'll be bringing with me to the Appalachian Trail. And today it's going to be my rain gear. On the Appalachian Trail, you'll find out that there's going to be a lot of rain, lots of it. Probably most of the time. So rain gear is going to be very, very important. Now, just to give a little disclaimer, from what I understand is that rain gear is never 100% waterproof, meaning that at some point the saturation is going to be so significant that it'll just come right through. You know, after doing research, I don't really want to spend a lot of money on a lot of gear. You know, there's certain gear that I did spend a lot of money on, but I was like, rain gear, and you would think, like, logically, rain gear is really important. Let's spend a lot of money on it. But I guess that one I decided I didn't want to do it.
Okay.
I decided to go with Frogg Toggs, but I didn't go with the really, really cheap, ultra light version. I actually don't even know what they're called. I went on Amazon and I saw this Frogg Toggs Java Toadz 2.5. I couldn't find anywhere the weight. And that was really obnoxious, but of course Amazon, you know, as cool as they are, they just call it ultralight. Comparative to some other rain jackets that are like on the expensive sides, it is heavy. I am not really wanting to be an ultralight backpacker. Blah. I'm not really wanting to be an ultralight backpack.
No, God!
I'm not really planning to be an ultralight backpacker. However, I am planning to be light, you know? I mean, what's the point of just carrying a lot of weight and just hurting yourself more? Try to make it as light as possible. So, I got the jacket, weighted 11 ounces. I don't know. I want to, of course, have a look at it and see if it is holding up and is going to be, you know, doing well in order for me to be carrying 11 ounces of rain jacket. Here's the jacket. What's really neat about it is you can see all the seam seals. That's really awesome. And it has like a lot of Velcro, which I believe is probably the reason why there's so much weight. And then as well as these stringy things that help you open and close the zippers. What was this? This is like a dirty spot. I have no idea where that dirty spot came from, but I don't care about dirty spots. I saw some review where some person is like, oh, I got a dirty spot on it and I don't want it, and I'm like, whatever. I got the medium jacket just because I wanted to make sure that I have enough room if I wanted to layer it. And so, I mean, it looks huge, whatever. I'm not doing this for the looks. This is Le Jacket. You have a little hoodie, mix schmoody. So I put it a little bit tight ahead of time. There's like these stringy things. You can open them and be like, woo!
Crack is whack.
Or you make it tight. And then you look like this. And you can do like this. And then you're like that. I decided to get it into the shower and kind of see what it's gonna do with regard to how it's gonna hold up. As you see, I put like a long sleeve sweater on just to make sure that I see any kind of water penetration. Okay, let's look. I'm definitely learning how to even use a rain jacket in the first place. I think the first thing is, like, if you're a small size, this isn't really gonna do when it comes to protecting from water getting in there. You might need something that is a little bit tighter if you have really tight wrists, like small wrists, right? So I definitely felt water coming in this way, which is normal. And then, like a stupid person, I just put my face toward the water spout, and of course water came right in here, but I also didn't have this lock. I felt pretty cool for the first minute. So there's definitely going to be water that came through here because, you know, I was super smart at doing this. It's pretty good. Just, you know, water here, obviously. And then you can see my pants got wet because they weren't covered by the rain jacket, right? And then boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. I mean, pretty good. All right, just to recap, I think the jacket's gonna be fine. I mean, I don't know. Like, I mean, does anybody have any like suggestion when it comes to the arm thing? Is that normal? Water will just get through there? Or do I need to get something that's tighter so it's not gonna go through there? But overall, I'm happy. I mean, I stayed pretty dry. What I actually really liked was how the top part kind of pushed away the water from my head. So like it has like this little whoop-de-doop-de that you can see right here. And because of the whoop-de-doop-de, I don't know what it's called, that it like takes the water and it just goes like that. So I'm happy with that. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you ever look at the Java Toadz 2.5, you do know now what the weight is. It's exactly this. And yeah, if you like this kind of newbie gear check, meaning I have absolutely no experience when it comes to backpacking, and then I'm trying to hike the Appalachian Trail. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just doing a lot of testing. If you like it, please subscribe and hit that bell, and that way it will give you a notification whenever I'm doing one of these tests. Whoop, I was about to say something real crazy.